Looking for the perfect Mini-ITX case for your next compact gaming PC? In this video, we reveal the top 5 best Mini-ITX cases of 2026, ranked for airflow, design, build quality, and performance. Stay until number 1 because the winner delivers an incredible combination of compact size, cooling, and versatility. Number 5. Fractal Design Terra. Overall design and premium build. The Fractal Design Terra stands out as one of the most beautiful and thoughtfully engineered Mini-ITX cases available in 2026. Designed for PC enthusiasts who want both premium aesthetics and high-performance hardware in a compact footprint, the Terra blends modern Scandinavian design with exceptional build quality. Its sleek aluminum exterior and genuine walnut wood front panel create a sophisticated look that feels more like a premium piece of home decor than a traditional PC case. Despite its small size, the Terra is engineered to maximize internal space efficiently. The innovative adjustable central spine allows builders to customize the layout, providing flexibility for different graphics card and CPU cooler configurations. This smart design helps users achieve the perfect balance between component compatibility and airflow optimization. Build quality is another area where the Terra excels. The precision machined aluminum panels feel sturdy and durable, while the overall construction gives the case a premium, high-end feel. Every detail, from the smooth finish to the tool-friendly assembly process, reflects Fractal Design's commitment to quality craftsmanship. Ventilation is integrated throughout the chassis, with strategically placed side panels that promote efficient airflow without compromising the minimalist appearance. This helps maintain stable temperatures for powerful modern components, making the Terra suitable for gaming, content creation, and everyday productivity systems alike. For users seeking a compact Mini-ITX case that combines elegance, premium materials, intelligent engineering, and excellent hardware compatibility, the Fractal Design Terra remains one of the most impressive choices on the market. It proves that small form factor PCs do not have to sacrifice style, functionality, or performance to achieve a clean and sophisticated design. Number 4. Cooler Master H2O. The Cooler Master H2O is a premium mid-tower PC case designed for gamers and enthusiasts who need excellent cooling, spacious hardware support, and eye-catching RGB aesthetics. Its most recognizable feature is the pair of massive 200mm RGB front fans, which deliver strong airflow while maintaining relatively low noise levels. The large tempered glass side panel showcases internal components beautifully, making it an excellent choice for RGB-focused builds. The H2O supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, including Mini-ITX, Micro-ATX, ATX, and the ATX. It also provides generous clearance for modern high-end graphics cards up to 412mm long and CPU coolers up to 190mm tall, ensuring compatibility with powerful gaming hardware. The spacious interior and PSU shroud help create a clean, professional-looking build with improved cable management. Cooling performance is one of the case's biggest strengths. In addition to the included dual 200mm RGB intake fans and rear 140mm exhaust fan, the H2O supports multiple radiator configurations, including up to 360mm radiators on both the front and top panels. This makes it ideal for custom water cooling loops and high-performance AIO liquid coolers. The case also includes vertical GPU mounting support, allowing users to display their graphics card through the tempered glass side panel for a more premium appearance. Combined with RGB lighting and extensive upgrade potential, the H2O remains a popular choice among PC builders seeking both performance and style. Number 3. Lian Li A4-H2O Ultra Compact. Performance. The Lian Li A4-H2O is one of the most impressive small form factor SFF PC cases available, delivering exceptional performance in an incredibly compact 11-liter chassis. Developed in collaboration with Dan Cases, the A4-H2O combines minimalist aesthetics, premium materials, and remarkable hardware compatibility, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who want desktop-class power in a portable form factor. Despite its ultra-small footprint, the case supports powerful modern components, including triple-slot graphics cards up to 322mm in length and 240mm AIO liquid coolers. This allows builders to install high-end gaming hardware that would normally require a much larger chassis. The innovative sandwich layout design separates the motherboard and graphics card into dedicated chambers, helping maximize space efficiency while maintaining effective cooling performance. The exterior features premium aluminum panels with extensive mesh ventilation on multiple sides. This minimalist design not only looks elegant, but also promotes strong airflow, allowing fresh air to reach critical components directly. The result is surprisingly good thermal performance for a case of this size, making it suitable for gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. Building inside the A4-H2O is easier than many compact cases thanks to its removable panels and thoughtfully designed internal structure. Support for both SFX and SFXL power supplies provides flexibility when selecting components, while the included PCIe riser cable enables clean vertical GPU installation. The A4-H2O has earned a strong reputation within the SFF community because it successfully balances size, cooling capability, and hardware compatibility. Enthusiasts frequently praise its ability to house powerful CPUs and GPUs while remaining highly portable and space-efficient. For users seeking a truly compact Mini-ITX case that delivers premium construction, excellent airflow, and support for flagship-level hardware, the Lian Li A4-H2O remains one of the best ultra-compact performance cases on the market. Number 2. Fractal Meshify 3 Service. The Fractal Meshify 3 is a modern ATX mid-tower case built for gamers and PC enthusiasts who prioritize cooling, performance, clean aesthetics, and easy building. As the latest evolution of Fractal Design's popular Meshify series, it features an aggressive rock face-inspired mesh front panel that maximizes airflow while maintaining a sleek and premium appearance. One of the biggest strengths of the Meshify 3 is its advanced cooling system. The case comes equipped with 3 high-performance 140mm momentum fans and a specially designed airflow guide that directs fresh air toward the graphics card, helping improve GPU temperatures during demanding gaming sessions. This airflow-focused design makes it one of the best-performing cases in its category. The Meshify 3 supports powerful gaming hardware, including ATX motherboards and graphics cards up to 349mm in length. Builders can also install large air coolers up to 173mm tall and radiators up to 360mm in the front or 280mm on the top, providing excellent flexibility for both air-cooled and liquid-cooled systems. Fractal has also improved the building experience with removable panels, a sliding top panel, upgraded cable routing channels, integrated cable covers, and tool-free access points. These features help create a cleaner build while simplifying installation and future upgrades. For RGB enthusiasts, the Ambience Pro RGB version includes advanced ARGB Gen 2 lighting and the Adjust Pro hub, allowing users to customize lighting effects and fan curves through a browser-based interface without installing additional software. Overall, the Fractal Meshify 3 is an outstanding choice for gamers seeking exceptional airflow, premium build quality, modern features, and a clean Scandinavian design. It successfully combines cooling efficiency, hardware compatibility, and ease of use into one of the best PC cases of the current generation. Number 1. NZXT H2 Flow. The NZXT H2 Flow is a premium Mini-ITX small form factor case designed for users who want high-end gaming performance in a compact footprint. Featuring a sleek vertical layout, mesh airflow panels, and tempered glass accents, the H2 Flow delivers a modern appearance while maximizing cooling efficiency. Its space-saving design occupies just 20.7 liters of volume, making it ideal for gaming setups, workstations, and minimalist desk environments. Despite its compact size, the H2 Flow supports powerful hardware, including graphics cards up to 331mm long and radiators up to 280mm. This allows builders to install flagship GPUs and high-performance liquid coolers without sacrificing thermal performance. The case also includes a premium PCIe 5.0 riser cable for vertical GPU mounting, helping showcase modern graphics cards while improving space utilization. Airflow is one of the H2 Flow's biggest strengths. Ultra-fine mesh panels on multiple sides allow fresh air to reach critical components directly, while the included dual 120mm fans help maintain efficient cooling. Independent testing and community feedback have shown that the airflow-focused design performs exceptionally well even with the side panels installed, making it a strong choice for high-performance gaming builds. NZXT is also focused on ease of building. Tool-less panel removal, smart cable routing channels, and a thoughtfully designed internal layout simplify assembly and maintenance. Many SFF enthusiasts have praised the case for being easier to build in than typical Mini-ITX chassis while still supporting premium components for users looking for a stylish, compact, and airflow-focused Mini-ITX case that can handle modern flagship hardware. The NZXT H2 Flow stands out as one of the best small form factor cases available in 2026. It successfully combines premium build quality, strong cooling performance, and excellent hardware compatibility in a sleek vertical design.